Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to feature an article on Joomla 3.X. Open your favorite browser. Navigate to your Joomla 3.X homepage. Add /administrator to the end of the URL. Enter the username and password you have chosen during the installation process. Click Login. You have successfully logged into your Joomla dashboard. In the top left menu, click on Content and then select Article Manager from the drop-down menu. On this page, you will see the list of all the articles you have created. You won't be able to see your article on front end of your website. To feature an article, click the star icon. Now, when you navigate to your Joomla homepage, you should see your featured article. This is how you can feature an article on Joomla 3.x. Thank you for watching.